how to join again?
So can we start?
But I think this is not visible properly. We want to see in full screen.
Okay.
शशांक वो प्ले वाला बटन दबा प्ले वाला नीचे वो
Now is it visible?
Simply click on play, so you will enter into full screen mode. Yes.
Can we start?
Yes.
So good morning everyone. Myself Yasang along with my group have come over in the class to present the presentation on the observation code blocks, that is AEIOU, and one problem definition in real life. So first of all, starting with what is AEIOU, the full form stands as it is presenting on the screen: activities, environment, interaction, objects, and users. So activities means the whatever activity you are observing while noting down your observation. It may be something daily, repeating patterns or routine, etc. Environment means whatever environment surrounding is present around you during your observation. Interaction means some people or some objects may be interacting with anybody while your observation, and objects are surrounding objects, whether it be life things or lifeless things, including everything. And users are your observation key persons who are playing their part in observation of your whatever you are observing. So starting with my observation, these observations are
Yes.
made around 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock in the evening. So starting with the activity, mom was sorting clothes and I was studying there, watching her, and my sister was watching TV and my dad was watching news on mobile phone. So during the activity, the environment outside my room was slightly cloudy, and wind was also blowing there, and due to which the rain was about to come, so there was chilled wind outside. Interaction was myself. I was with my laptop, and my father was with a mobile phone. My mom was sitting in the drawing room with some clothes around her, and my sister was watching TV. So objects were TV, clothes, mobile phones, books around me, and laptop, and there were other things like teapoy and other things which which I thought need not to mention it because they were not the most important in objects. Users were myself, my sister, mother, and father. So now my friend Jas will continue the discussion.
Hello everyone, good morning sir. My name is
Yes.
Jasvirani. I wanted to show my presentation about I observed everything from my terrace. So first of all, activities. From my terrace, I wanted to show you boys. A boy was playing with his mobile. Woman bought vegetables from vendors, and the dogs were sleeping under the car. Birds were chirping. From the environment, cloudy, and it was a rainy atmosphere. So I was in Junagadh, so it was I can saw a Girnar mountain. It was replaced by clouds, and it was a wonderful scene, and cold wind was blowing. Interaction, in the interaction, woman was talking while buying vegetables with vendors and together. And the objects, a hand cart, the vendor, there are cars, motorbikes, a weighing scale, cycle, and a mobile phone, which is from me or a boy. The users, there were women, kids, and vendor. So totally, I was showing from my terrace about regarding from Kathik. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Pathik Lakad. So, activities are playing, cycling, talking, selling, etc. Or in a environment was cloudy, windy, and birds are flying by. So in interaction, kids are playing. Some kids are riding cycles. Neighbor are talking. Vendor selling their products. And in the object, mobile phone, wristwatch, bike, cycle, cart, trees, bat and ball, etc. Many things in object. So finally, in users, kids, neighbors, vendor, and birds. So now my friend Yes will take over.
Good morning, sir.
Good.
Myself is. Sir, there are many activities I have done and observed. So first, there are little of things I have done here. So playing cricket. Nowadays, everyone is at home, so they have to time pass. Time pass के लिए कुछ करना पड़ता है. So I was playing cricket, and the environment was very cloudy. Nowadays, environment is cloudy only. The objects are bat and ball. Interaction was vendor selling goods because nowadays everything we have to buy from our home only. We have to know go out. And the user was team and any other person who is selling, who are buying goods, etc. Some of my other activities are cooking. My mother was good at home. I was there playing cooking. The environment was because the cooking is done so it makes warm the temperature and interaction was that the neighbors were sitting outside my room because everyone is at home, so they were talking to my mother, my uncle, and the user was my mom utensil. User was my mom, and object was the utensil because by help of it, he was cooking it. And other activities are watching TV, like with my brother, we were watching TV, and the objects are TV, phone, we are using TV and for using it. And my user was me and my brother. An interaction with my brother because we are talking about things we are watching on the TV and etc. Some of my activity are studying also. I was studying newspapers with my brother and my neighbors were there and etc. Sir. Lot of things are here, so I stop it here. And sir, we have done physical things also here. Our problem is
It,
that should I continue
yes,
or you
yes,
should
yes,
I
yes,
continue? Okay.
yes.
Sir,
Problem identification.
yes. The problem is that we go to ATM nowadays very much. We have seen
Hmm.
that when we take the money, the notes are tear little bit. Means they've got dots or anything like that. And
Okay.
because if we go with उसके साथ अगर हम बैंक तो we face problem because they do not take it back as because they said that you have tear it ATM doesn't it. This makes
Okay.
a very much problem. Sir. Nowadays you have seen that we have also seen that the notes from it get tears out by machine only, but they thought that we have tear it. So we have come for report. So this makes a very much प्रॉब्लम हमें होती है क्योंकि पैसे हमारे हैं ना उनको क्या है
Hmm.
प्रॉब्लम ये आती है तो me and my friends I make some solution so Yasang will tell you one solution just Pratik will tell you one solution. Yasang,
Yes.
tell your solution.
Yes. So me and Just have given the solution on dispensed cash, and Pathik and Yes have given the solution on ripped cash coming from ATM. So my solution is that this problem can be avoided by bank official well in advance by regularly checking the balance in the respective branch ATMs. Uh, Now Just will tell you the solution.
Regarding me, is a minimum number of minimum ATMs are located from the vendor management is reserve ATMs because अब वहाँ पे पास पास में दो ATM होते हैं इसलिए प्रॉब्लम होती है इसलिए लोकेलिटी में मिनिमम ATM होने चाहिए और पथिक
सर मेरा सॉल्यूशन ये है कि जब हम एटीएम में पैसे रखे वो जो ऑफिसर है वो किसी भी मतलब ऐसे मशीन से या फिर ऐसे कोई साधन से नोटों को चेक करे ताकि उसमें छोटी से छोटी अगर कोई गलती हो तो वो नोट अलग रखा जा सके, जो कंज्यूमर है उसे प्रॉब्लम ना हो. नाउ यस विल टेल यू वन solution.
So my solution is that if the notes come clear, so there should be another machine who can take it back by scanning that, another और कोई और बंदा हो जो चेंज करवा दे notes. So the our presentation is the all.
No, here you can do that. You can here use your technical knowledge to solve this kind of problem. Let's say if you want to detect those kind of tone currency notes, okay, you can use some machine learning algorithm where for each currency note you will look for some specific symbols. Okay, so if those symbols are not present in the currency note, then you will consider that it is an you can say a tone note or currency note is broken, means it is torn. So you can use some machine learning algorithm where you will try to detect that whether the note is full or means it is in full form or not. Okay, so this is what you can do. So in solution to this problem, you can do one thing. You can use some machine learning kind of thing where you will use you can say that a detect algorithm which will help you to say that whether the note is torn or not, currency note is properly, means it is in proper condition or not. So that is what you
Sir,
can do. Yeah.
I said that by scanning of that scan में सर वही होगा कि उस नोट्स में कुछ ऐसा कुछ होगा, चाहे चिप्स या ऐसा कुछ सिंबल स्कैन होकर तभी वो वापस लेगा, वरना हम कोई और नोट लेके हमारी फटी हुई नोट दे देंगे, वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा. जो नोट देगा उसमें कोई एक ऐसा सिंबल टाइप रहेगा जो वो स्कैन करेगा तभी वो मतलब वापस रिप्लेस
Let,
करेगा, वरना नहीं करेगा.
let me tell you one thing. Okay, when you are dispensing note, okay, at that time you can scan for the number, okay, which is available there on each currency note. Okay, so let's say if note which is returned to the machine, okay, it is the note which is dispensed just before 2 3 minutes or 5 minutes, okay, then only it will accept it. Otherwise, it will not accept it. Clear? Okay,
Okay,
and
sir.
yeah, and other thing that we can do that we can before dispensing we can check, okay, whether knot is in full condition or means in proper condition or not. Okay, if it is not in proper condition, then we will not we will not give it to the customers. You can say. So otherwise, we will keep it in machine, and then whenever there will be new people will miss those people will arrive, money service people will arrive, and then whenever they will fill the ATM machine at that time, they can collect those torn notes from the ATM machine.
Okay, sir.
But this is where you can work on. You can say that some this kind of definition which will help in let's say to people. Here, this will be win-win situation for both the thing, customers as well as bank. Okay, because bank will know itself that before giving or before handing over those money to the customers, we will check it. Okay, and if any note is not in proper position, means it is not fully scanned, then we can say that we will not give to the user. We will directly dispose it. Customer also cannot blame bank. Okay, that you have given us kind of currency notes and something like that. Here with this, you can do one thing that analyze your definition. Like let's say that you will be working on currency detection. So there you will find a solution for this problem, a technical solution for this. Yes. So we will keep up to this. You can do one thing. You can just mail me your PPT with problem definition as well. So I would like you people to be ready with complete solution, proposed solution in next lab. Okay, so that how you are going to implement that system, what will be the downside, okay, what will be the you can say improvement, what will be the advantage of system. So those kind of things you will do in next lab. Okay, so in next lab you will be ready with complete problem solution.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Well. Yes, Aditya. Aditya Jha.
Yes, sir. So
Yeah. You
there
are
is a
present.
problem actually, which I have to share. We can't get to exactly how to implement or which the matlab, about the problem solving definitions. We search a lot of on internet, our group members, but we are not getting appropriate content over there. That's why
No,
we
you can have a presentation with your AEIOU.
AIOU is done, sir. Last class we have presented.
Okay, you have presented in last class.
Yes, sir.
So now, no, none of your team member has found the definition.
Uh, we found some definitions, and I mean some problems, but they are not as much sufficient so that we can make a whole PPT presentation. I mean, just problem and their solutions both. So that's why there's we can't get lot content over there.
Sir, and many
Okay.
times it was that problem that we were getting the content much more that we were confused what to we have to put in that. So if you are having any means of that AEIU EU type sample PPT, then you can explain like that.
Okay. No problem. I will find out one solution and I will do one thing that I will upload it in Classroom. Okay. We already created Google Classroom for that. So for Python, so there I will create one assignment for design thinking and problem solving. So there I will upload the sample PPT.
Okay.
Okay, but you are supposed to find out one problem definition, and lots of problems are there which you can target, or for that you can develop something good, some good solution. So you have to simply think on it. Yes. Next is Ayush.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, can
Yes,
we present
Vipin.
now?
Yes, Vipin. I think your Google Classroom joining is still pending.
No, sir, I have done.
Mm,
I when I got mail, I accepted, but I think some issue is there. But I have accepted.
Let me see. Still, just a second. Today morning only. Yes, your acceptance is still pending. In Classroom, you not yet accepted. So do it as early as possible. You can search or you can open the email and then you can join it right now.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I
So
will
first
do.
of yes. So first let's complete the presentation and then we will continue with the that you can continue with that activity.
Can I
Yes.
present now,
So
sir?
yes, you can present.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, is it visible now?
Okay. Now it is getting visible.
So here is my problem, my presentation. My group members are Rohan Chorada. My name is Vipin Kantaria. One other group member is Yasraj C. Jadeja, and one is Manav Gathani. And our topic is AEIOU. Let's start with me. My topics for activity is vehicles are passing, vendors are selling the vegetables, children are playing, yeah, everyone is passing from the road. Some society friends are talking. Next is environment. There was a environment like cloudy and heavy raining. There was too raining when I was in my balcony. My next This topic is interaction. Interaction was that the talking with friends. I was talking with my friends who are calling, some of who are my neighbors. Then society members are talking with each other. Like some society members was there who talk with each other about raining and the was water was passing from the road and everything is etc. Neighbors are sitting enjoying rain. Some neighbors was also in the balcony and they was enjoying the rain with some food and talking with each other. Next is objects. There was objects like vehicles, chair, raining music. There was a music instrument with me. That was I am playing raining music. There was cable. There was music instrument I have mentioned and mobile. I was playing musics with my mobile. Then users was my mom, neighbors, vendors, friends, other who are passing from road. Some many people was passing from the road, or some are was enjoying the rain bathing. It is. Thank you. Now next
Yes.
will Rohan present. Rohan.
Hello, my name is Mohan. An activity which I was observed from my terrace is that construction of building is under. People are talking about earthquake. Vendors are selling vegetables and small birds are chanting. Now,
You have
where
done the
even
session right
see
now
the
only.
cloud.
Rohan, you have completed
Yes,
the observation now only.
yes, sir.
Okay, so this is not where you can do. We are doing activity. Now, so let's say if you are doing activities like this, then definitely um, I have to you can say judge you, and you people also know that there are some. It is not like a time pass activity where you will do some random observation. Let's say now there is a lab, and before 20 minutes start a presentation. Put this thing. Put this thing. Put this thing. So what sir can argue? What sir can that we have done this. Okay. So I know it very well that how people are doing it. Okay. So at the time of evaluation, I will consider all these parameters. So it's not like that I am not, I do not understand that what you people are doing. Okay, so I know very well. So it's up to you that how you are doing, and you people are mature enough that you people even you yourself can evaluate your work. Okay, so it is not like that. Whenever I will tell you, then only you will understand. Otherwise, you will say that this will work fine. This will work fine, or it is taken for granted. So this is not just a time pass activity. Be serious with this, okay? And let's say many times you people are demanding that we want freedom, we want to do something by our own, and we want to implement our idea, and we want to work with definition. We want to show our creativity. Okay, we want to show our innovativeness. Okay, we want to show our you can say intelligence or something like that. Okay, and then this is an opportunity. Okay, so if you are not able to show it here, then I don't think so that other than this subject will give you, other than this any other subject will give you this good opportunity where you can display your creativity. So be careful that whatever you are just presenting, okay, that if I'm not saying that doesn't mean that I don't know anything about you. Okay, I know it very well. Okay, and uh, by using the word like network connectivity issue, okay, and many of the students are avoiding the subject interaction. Okay, so that I also know very well. Okay, so uh, be ready for whatever you are giving. Okay, because I know I can understand. Okay, that what you actually what you actually want to. Yes, continue. Yes, continue. You can continue with discussion.
Rohan, Rohan.
Rohan is not there. Rohan is not there. I have checked it.
Yesraj, my friend Yesraj Si Jadeja will continue from this.
So, good morning, everyone. I am Yashraj Singh Jadeja, and talking about the activities, I have recorded everything at morning 6 a.m. So, activities where vehicles were passing, people were jogging and walking, and children were playing games. People were roaming in groups. And talking about the environment, it was cloudy, rainy, and overall, it was cool environment. And talking about the interaction, I was talking with my friends. People were in groups of 5 to 6. Everyone were most of them were using phone and running, walking, and children were learning some new things from their elders. Next, and objects that I have seen were vehicles, bench, seesaw. I was in ground, so I have seen these things. Swings were there, chin-up bars, ropes, etc. And users were me, my friends, children, and some uncles and all neighbors. And talking about the problem definition, so we have all seen that ज्यादातर लोग ग्रुप में घूम रहे हैं. तो अगर वो इस टाइम पे ग्रुप में घूम रहे हैं, सोशल सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग नहीं बना
So, what will be solution for that?
So solution is that we all need to take mask on our faces. We all have need to keep sanitizer with us and always to use it. Then always we have to keep minimum 1 foot or 2 foot distance between us, so we can be safe.
But do you think that this is the solution which is proposed by
और
you? It is not proposed by anyone else till now.
What, sir?
Do you think that this is an innovative solution?
No, sir. Other solution we have also there. If the
No,
people
no.
are
What
job,
I'm saying, what I'm telling you that before 4 months, okay, it is 7. So before 4 months, I was having this detail. Okay, that we should wear mask, we should keep sanitizer with us. Okay, we should keep distance from other.
no,
So
sir.
what?
Other solution was Rohan with there, but
Okay,
he left it, so I have to speak that.
okay.
Okay. Then people are ignoring that what I told it that we have to keep masks, sanitizers, and all that, but people are not doing that well. So government has in Ahmedabad government started funding or means उनको दंड देना पड़ रहा है 200 रुपए if they have not mask wear mask. So we have to also do like that. Cost बढ़ा दो, thousands कर दो. पुलिस है जो उनकी सिक्योरिटी टाइट कर दो. अगर कोई भी है तो पहले जब ऐसे लाठी चार्ज था तो ऐसा वो सब स्टॉप करा दो. लॉकडाउन है रात को 10 बजे से रात के 5 बजे तक रखा है, लेकिन रात के 10 से 5 बजे तक कौन निकलता है? सो दैट इज नीडेड ऑफ 8 to at morning 7.
और के लिए
8.
ऑनलाइन को सपोर्ट करो.
हाँ,
So
8 से
जैसे कि
actually,
रात
अमेजोन
के.
ये सब हो गया, और जो मैक्सिमम लोग सोसाइटी वगैरह में रहते हैं तो उनके मेन गेट पे सैनिटाइजर मशीन लगवा देनी चाहिए, क्योंकि जो भी सामान अंदर आएगा वो सैनिटाइज होके आएगा, और बिना बात के बाहर जाना अवॉइड
those
करना
kind of
चाहिए.
solutions are already implemented. We people see in news every day. Okay, that people have keep a sanitization channel. So before entering into society, everyone must have to pass through that channel. Okay, and then whenever vegetable vendor will be there, whenever they will buy the vegetable, there will be a common place where everyone will clean their, you can say, vegetables using sanitizer, desanitize, I mean, sanitize, they will sanitize their vegetables. So all these things are already implemented. We are already seeing all these solutions on television. So what is my concern that what is the new thing? What is the innovation? What is the new idea that you are presenting over here? Or that the solution what which you want to find it. Let me tell you,
That
the solutions are not like that. Someone will give you problem solution and then you will use that solution and then you will be famous. No, not at all. You have to use your brain. Okay, then you have to find out the solution and then you have to refine it and then people will accept it. Okay, so it is not like that someone will give you a solution and if you will start working on it and then it will be your problem. So we
okay,
need,
sir.
yeah, we need some concrete definition where you would, where you can work, where you can find some solution, which is really some design thinking related problem. Okay, so it should not be like that where you will be finding out the solution just randomly.
Sorry, sir. We think that is the problem is running right now is mostly. So we think we should present about it, but that is not like that is not good topic here. So we are sorry about it.
Okay, so it's not about you can say sorry or something like that. Okay, but we need some innovation or innovative solutions. Okay, and we need to do some careful observations. So I'm not saying that I need a very large or very huge system. Okay, you find out a small problem and you will try to solve that small problem. Okay, we are not targeting the larger system. Got it?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now who is
Now
next?
Manav will present. Manav.
Yes. Hello, good morning. My name is Manav Gatani. Next. My activity is vehicles are passing, vendors are selling vegetables. I am studying, society members talking with vendors. Next. My environment was cloudy and rainy. Interaction was talking with mom. Society members are talking with vendors. Neighbors are talking. Next. Objects. Objects are vehicles, chair, book, table, fan, mobile, houses. Next. Uh, user was mom, neighbors, vendors, grandparents, sister. Thank you.
So here we are, sir, completed with our presentation, and we are sorry about that problem. So we have not covered at that point very well. So we are not at much good that problem. So we are sorry about it. And my presentation is over now,
No, it's okay.
and I'm sorry about my friend Rohan.
No, it's okay, no problem. So let me tell you, all of you, it's not it is not limited to a particular group. Okay, but it is applicable to entire class. Okay, the we are not supposed to suggest some existing solution. We are supposed to suggest or we are supposed to propose something new. Okay, which is very difficult to you can say or which is very little bit tricky to solve. So I want you people to find out some good problem definition. Okay, I'm not saying that I want a large problem definition, but I'm saying good problem definition. Okay, which show your innovation, which show your willingness to do something new. Okay, got it. So who is the next group?
Sir, can I get your Gmail for our presentation? I have to
Yes,
mail you.
nikunj.water@marwadieducation.edu.in. Let me
Can you
write it
write
in
in the
the chat
chat
for
box?
you. Let's move forward with the next group.
Sir, can we present?
Yes, sure. Why not?
Okay, sir. So my screen is visible.
Yes, now it is visible. Who are your team members?
So myself Mansi Paida and Nikita Kakkar and Nikita Naredi.
Okay.
So good morning everyone. I am Mansi Paida and we are presenting AEIOU and problem definition. In AEIOU means A stands for activities, E is environment, I is interaction, O is objects, and U is user. Today we will discuss about AEIOU and a problem which is common nowadays and is depression and its patient. So here, first of all, we will discuss about activities. So we're finding a problems and impact on human caused by mental stress and find solution for mentally depressed people. Now, Nikita will present next slide.
Hello, my name is Nikita, and in environment, who have mental illness or stressed people, they always surround atmosphere is like tense, irritated, and what things are happening nearby them. And next, next is infection. Infection will be bit.
Now here I would like you people to stop little bit. I have asked you people to observe the activity, then environment, then object, then interaction, and then user. Okay. So the way the people have observed in the previous slide, so that kind of observation need to be carried out. Okay. Now, if you are saying that if you are having a problem definition related to a particular domain, okay, then you can do one thing. Then you can add those kind of element into your you can say A, E, I, O, U. Okay. For example,
Okay,
let's say if you are studying about this mental depression. Okay, then
Yes.
where you have gone for where you have gone for this observation, you just try to imagine that in which kind of an environment you have found this mental depression or something that kind of thing. So yes, so those kind of detail you are supposed to put into your AEIOU summary.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and then then you can relate it with your problem.
Okay, sir. So, sir, according to you, here now we have a problem and solution. So, we have right now we have noted that AEIOU. So, what should we do right now?
Okay, so you just complete the presentation and then we will have a discussion that what we can do.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
in interaction between physiologists and with patient family members, and in some of the cases their things are almost loud things. Next, Nikita will continue.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Nikita Kakkar. When mental health treated with artificial intelligence, we can use objects such as phone, laptop, chargers, earphones, software, pills, etc. Users such as patients using the software, nurse dealing with the patients, doctor dealing with the patients, family and friends talking with the patient and the doctors.
So we discuss about depression, and I think in this generation, everyone is stressed in their life in some way. So on 10th October, mental health is celebrated according to source around 4.3 of the world population is dealing with depression, and it leads to the suicide. And in India, 50 percentage of population is dealing with mental health and depression, and only in the age of 15 to 49 people attempted suicide over 2 lakh 58,000. So doctors and psychologists are reducing stress and depression, and today in the market there are two ways, like drug and medicine treatment, and second is talking and psychotherapy is that discuss your problems with psychiatrists and your doctors. So now I am again inviting Nikita to present next slide.
A person with clinical depression can have every reason in the world to feel happy, but fundamentally loses the ability to experience pleasure and joy. So let's look at the current option: drug based treatment or a medicine treatment. These treatments can be highly effective for some people, even though we are still far from the complete understanding of how these treatments work in our brain. One of the challenges for the field in this area is that we have a range of treatments available and we don't know what works best for whom. The figure has that the figure the figure has that most commonly used antidepressant, and the circle shows the proportion of people using it.
Where is
Person
the
with depression.
figure?
It was there. I don't know. Yes, sir. The figure shows the most commonly antidepressant, and the circle shows the proportion of people using it. Nancy, next slide.
Yes.
Person with depression can be offered any of these treatments, but we can learn later that people swap that medicine because we don't know which works best for you. So it can take years of trial. Wouldn't it be great if we get the right at the first time? So we have the talk therapy continued by Nikita.
Yes. Nowadays, there are available many apps for mental stress, depression, and anxiety. There is one example like Visa app. And Visa is a AI-based application, emotionally intelligent bot. We decided that in that app, their all chats will be anonymous, and secondly, that people don't want their problems fixed mostly. They just want to talk through them with someone who doesn't judge. And in this, an AI-based platform can be great for those 4 AM conversations. We all have a dark place and have feelings we don't share with anyone else. Talking therapy gives us the confidence to reach out for help when we are ready, from a friend, family, or a well-being coach or a therapist. And this app and 10 hours of in-person therapy are rarely enough to break long-held thought sessions. And this is AI-based application. So this is already existing, but we can learn from this, and we can also make apps like this. And this is and instead of going outside and pay fees to therapists, we can make easier. So Mansi will conclude.
So we discuss about depression, which are most common in this generation, and with the help of drug treatment and talking therapy, we can directly contact with the patient anywhere. And लाइक हम लोगों ने जो पहले पहले में बताया कि वो है जो वो पूरा रिकॉर्ड रखता है कि उसकी मेडिकल का, कि उसकी सिचुएशन पहले कैसी थी अब कैसी है। सो उसको हम लोगों ने कि अभी जो हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं कि हमारे लिए नया सब्जेक्ट है कि डेटाबेस करके है, तो वो हम लोग उसमें इम्प्लीट कर सकते हैं कि डेटाबेस की तरफ से हम लोग उसमें पूरी की पूरी पेशेंट की हिस्ट्री है वो उसमें रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं। कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम पेशेंट की कोई भी सर्जरी या कोई भी जरूरत हो, कोई भी हो, तो सब टेस्ट कराने में, वो सब कराने में ज्यादा टाइम लगता है, तो इसमें रिकॉर्ड रख सकते हैं, हम लोग कहीं से भी एग्जिस्ट कर सकते हैं। इन and in talking therapy we can directly contact with patient and anywhere, so कहीं पे भी पेशेंट है वो जो डिप्रेशन और स्ट्रेस से गुजर रहा, तो वो हम लोग उसे ऑनलाइन थ्रू हम लोग उससे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। ये डॉक्टर्स या ऐसे कोई पर्सन होते हैं जो हम लोग कर सकते हैं, तो हम लोग ऐसे ऐप बना सकते हैं कि इसमें ये सारे है जो वो उसमें इम्प्लीट कर सकते हैं। So that's it, and thank you for listening.
Okay, now let me ask you some question to you people. That what will be your solution? What will be your problem, and what will be your solution? And
Sir,
how it will differ from existing system?
सर हमारा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि यही है कि डिप्रेशन है, तो डिप्रेशन से लोग मतलब कि सुसाइड वो सब कर रहे हैं, सब कहीं ना कहीं पे डिप्रेशन पे होता है ये। तो हम लोगों ने जस्ट ये ट्राई किया है कि हम लोग ऐसे कोई ऑनलाइन ऐप कर सकते हैं कि लाइक हम लोग अगर डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे तो उस पर अपॉइंटमेंट्स वो सब हो सकते हैं। तो हम लोग ऐसे ऐप एआई एल्गोरिदम और डेटाबेस वो सब जोड़ के मतलब कि सब करके हम लोग ऐसे कर सकते हैं कि उसमें सब हो सकता, लाइक टॉकिंग थेरापी भी हो सकती है। ये जो रिकॉर्ड वाला है कि उसमें हम लोग उसकी पेशेंट की सारी वो जो कंडीशन है वो रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हो। वो रिकॉर्ड करने के उसमें जो कितने इम्प्लीमेंट आए उसकी कंडीशन पे पेशेंट की, तो वो उसके हिसाब से वो उसकी पिल भी हम लोग को सजेस्ट करेगा कि मेडिसिन है कोई भी, तो वो सजेस्ट करेगा कि डिप्रेशन के। और कोई होता है कि उसको सिर्फ मेडिसिन ही नहीं काम करती, तो उसके लिए हम लोग मतलब कि टॉक थेरापी भी रख सकते हैं, जैसे मैंने पहले बोला। तो आई थिंक सर मतलब कि हम लोगों ने ऐसा सोचा है कि ऐसा हो सकता है। सो दैट्स इट।
यस सर, एंड वी कैन ऑल्सो मतलब थेरापिस्ट, और हम लोग अगर बाहर जाते हैं मतलब तो थेरापिस्ट एंड वो सब मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा फीस ले लेते हैं। वी कैन मेक ऐप लाइक दिस एंड जो मिडिल क्लास एंड एवरीवन कैन अफोर्ड दिस।
But
Also हम लोग
let me ask you one question: that how you will define the depression?
ओके सर, सो उसमें डिप्रेशन होता है तो जैसे वो सर्कल वाला बताया, तो उसमें मतलब कि ऐसे एआई एल्गोरिदम आता है कि मतलब कि हम लोगों को नहीं पता था, पर हम लोगों ने इंटरनेट पे सर्च किया, तो उसमें मतलब कैसा हो सकता है कि ऐसा फ्यूचर में आ सकता है कि ऐसे करके मतलब कि एआई एल्गोरिदम होगा जो उसके मन की उसको मतलब कि वो बता सकता है कि ये मतलब कि डिप्रेशन है या फिर तो अगर आपको लगता है कि डिप्रेशन में कोई इंसान है डिप्रेशन पे, तो उसको स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, तो वो कहीं पे भी उसकी छोटी प्रॉब्लम, डिप्रेशन नॉट मीन कि बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है। तो अगर हम लोग कोई इंसान बहुत लंबे समय से डिप्रेशन में है तो वो एक अलग बात है, पर यहाँ पे हम लोग लाइक छोटी मोटी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो इस वजह से भी कोई मतलब कि स्ट्रेस में रहता है या 2-3 वीक या 1 महीने के तक, तो उसमें भी मतलब कि हम लोग उसको वो किसी से भी टॉक थेरापी द्वारा वो बात कर सकता है कि कोई किसी पर्सन से। तो और सोर्स के हिसाब से, डॉक्टर के हिसाब से ऐसी छोटी प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए डॉक्टर्स के हिसाब से 10 आवर्स है वो आई थिंक इनफ है उसके लिए कि वो इससे बाहर आ सके, 10 आवर्स थेरापी। सो
No, let me ask you again simple question. That how you will define depression? Depression, yes.
हाँ तो सर डिप्रेशन में कोई होगा तो आई थिंक कि हम लोगों ने
नहीं, वो how you will identify that this person is in depression? Is how you will define that this person is in depression? That is my question.
ओके सर, सो हमने उस बारे में सोचा नहीं है, ऑनेस्टली गए तो हम लोगों ने सोचा नहीं, पर हम लोगों ने सिर्फ डिप्रेशन है तो डिप्रेशन का एक ये सॉल्यूशन निकाला है कि हम लोगों के पास अभी थर्ड सेम की बात करें तो नया सब्जेक्ट आया कि डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम। तो हम लोगों के दिमाग में आया कि कोई भी मतलब कि ऐसी पेशेंट हो सकते हैं तो उसका रिकॉर्ड हम लोग उसमें इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं। वो अभी लाइक अभी आ रहा है कि ट्रू कॉलर है वो सब है, तो वो हम लोग गूगल में हम लोग डाल सकते हैं, ठीक है, तो वो कहीं से भी कोई भी एक्सेस कर सकता है, और उसकी सिक्योरिटी का भी मतलब ख्याल उसमें रखा जाए तो मतलब वो सॉल्यूशन हो सकता है। डिप्रेशन, हाउ टू फाइंड डिप्रेशन, वो सर ऑनेस्टली बोले तो वो नहीं करा, हम लोगों ने सिर्फ सॉल्यूशन का
Why
सोचा।
why I ask you this question? Because if you are finding a solution for some problem, okay, but
Okay,
if
sir.
you don't know that how to define that problem or how you are going to define
Okay, sir.
So depression is a small mental
it,
disorder.
then how you will find a solution for whom? Yes,
So depression is a mental disorder where a person
but
feels guilty all the time, remains sad, loses the ability to feel pleasure and joy, loses appetite sometimes. Sometimes it's physical,
hmm.
loses appetite, gets weak.
So that's the reason that depression is actually, you can say, construct. Okay, so there is not any fixed definition for depression. So how you will define it?
Sir, sorry, but we have no idea about the proper idea about it.
Because if you don't know, then how we will miss. My concern is that how you will find the solution, which is already undefined for you people.
Okay, sir.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
So no doubt you can work on this problem. Okay, but
Okay, sir.
first of all, you need some concrete definition that how you will work on this problem. Okay, because whenever you start working on any problem, then if you don't know that how to do it or how to target the solution, then how you will solve it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now anyone else who is ready with the problem definition?
सर वन डाउट सर।
Yes.
सर आपने हमें बोला था प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग में मतलब वी हैव टू डू समथिंग मींस मोर इनोवेटिव लाइक सर वी हैव टू मेक अनदर पीपीटी ऑन इट और what we have
Yes,
to
you have
get?
to. Yes, then later on, once your problem is defined, that you are going to solve this problem, uh, then how to solve, how you are going to solve, what will be your proposed system. So after defining all these things, you can do one thing. Then you can accept this. Then you can prepare the presentation for it, and then you are going to give presentation. So means what I want to tell you. First, you define the problem. Then in all the details you have to define related to that problem. Then how you are going to propose solution for that, and then how you are going to solve it. Okay, so all the aspect, all the features you have
The
to.
means a brief presentation on
Huh?
brief presentation.
Yes.
Means a brief
Yes,
presentation
yes,
about
brief.
whole
Yes,
problem.
yes, brief presentation.
Okay, sir. Got it. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
So you have to
Um,
cover. In short, you have to cover all the aspect of you can say problem solution.
Okay, done.
Got it?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
सर, हम लोगों ने जो पीपीटी बनाई उसमें आपने बोला कि AEIOU का मतलब कि अलग से नहीं है, तो वो भी हम लोगों को करना होगा, और इसका मतलब कि डिप्रेशन वाला हम लोगों ने करा तो उसका भी सॉल्यूशन प्रॉपर सॉल्यूशन का एक अलग से पीपीटी बनाकर प्रेजेंट करना होगा ना?
किसका?
सर, हम लोगों ने अभी लास्ट में प्रेजेंटेशन करा ना।
हाँ।
हाँ, तो उसमें AEIOU का आपने बोला ना कि प्रॉपर इंडिविजुअल नहीं है।
हाँ, वो आपको करना होगा।
हाँ सर, ओके।
वो आपको करना होगा।
ओके सर।
Okay.
और सर ये सॉल्यूशन वाला है, तो वो आपने बोला कि सॉल्यूशन कैसे डिफाइन करता है डिप्रेशन को, तो वो भी हम लोगों को सॉल्यूशन लाके वो पूरी पीपीटी प्रेजेंट करनी है नेक्स्ट वीक।
हाँ.
ओके सर।
Okay. So it is not like that once you are defined it, then you cannot change it, but you can find some concrete problem where you can find solution. Okay, and again, I'm not asking for you people to solve large problem. Okay, I want very simple solution for very simple problem. Okay, so that this thing can be implemented this way, or let's say for this we can create some this kind of app or something like that. Okay, so because of that. We are solving this problem this way, something like that. So we want very small definition, but it should be innovative. Means you should have just try to think, or you should have given your input that how you are going to solve it. So that's my concern. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, we are going to present now.
Yes, sure. Why not? You can start presentation.
तुषार, share your screen.
Good morning. My name is Devansh Agrawal, and with my group, I am here to tell you about AEIOU. Myself, Devansh Agrawal, and I have Smith Devani in my group, Tushar Setia and Girish Purohit. In today's discussion, we will tell you about what is AEIOU and the different observation made by us. Next slide, Tushar. Next. What is AEIOU? AEIOU is a method for recording or classifying the observation and information about activities, environment, interaction, objects, and user around us. Next. In evening, when I was out of my home, I just observed the activity which salesmen were selling their product, vendors were selling their fruits and vegetables, and a child was learning to drive a scooty. Now, Smith.
Hello guys, good morning. Myself Smith. I have done the observation around afternoon. My mom was on a phone, dad was watching TV, and my grandparents were reading holy books. Tushar.
So I am Tushar. So the activities which I have seen from a several time where in this Corona lockdown, my mother always prepared juice, fruit juice, and we all cousins siblings play video games. And the charging phone is a part and parcel of our life, and in somehow in somewhat we can click pictures. We can go nearby places and click pictures and all that stuff. Now Girish Purohit.
Good morning, sir, and my fellow students. So I have observed all the activities at the railway station. The person was reading a newspaper. The ticket collector was checking the tickets. A person which we known as coolie, he was carrying the luggage for the express, and the people were bathing on the side of the railway tracks. Next slide.
When I was observing these activities, the environment was cloudy with light drizzle, and it was light windy also.
From my side, the environment was dark clouds. It was about to rain, and it was evening.
The environment my side was because in this lockdown we all are in quarantine, so we are sitting in our home. The most of the time spent is the bedroom, and near my home there is a jungle. So jungle and the weather around us is a perfect example of cloudy and rainy weather.
From my side, the atmosphere was mostly rainy because the month is going July, and uh, it is a monsoon season coming towards us. Therefore, the rainy atmosphere was there. There was total maximum humidity, and the maximum temperature was 34, and the lowest was around 18 to 19 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
And when I was just observing this all, the interaction was between the people and the salesmen and the vendors and the buyers. And the interaction was between the child who was just learning to drive a scooty with his father.
From my side, the interaction was my mom was talking on the phone with her colleague. I was talking with my friend. Neighbors were talking, and my grandparents were discussing.
From my side, the interaction were pretty much simple. Talking to friends, neighbors with each other, they are talking and gossiping and all that stuff.
From my side, the interaction was pretty simple. The people who were at the railway station were buying eatables for their journey. People were buying tickets. At last time, beggars were begging, and some more people which come in train for the marketing of their products. They were also there for discussing their products and selling them.
In my observation, the objects were vehicles, plants, umbrella, laptop, and mobile, and many more things.
As I have done observation in my drawing room, there were a table, fancy flower pot, phones, Hollybook, TV, sofas, fan, and etc. Many more.
From my side, the objects were phone and charger, PS4 console, a camera, and a hand rider.
From my side of observation, I have seen a lot of things like which are present at the railway stations, like fans, CCTV camera, clock, a speaker on which the lady always speaks that the train is coming on this platform, and the train will depart or arrive at this time and on this platform. The LED screens were there which were informing the train number and the coach number where we have to stand and take our.
From my side, the users were an electrician who was just repairing the electric in my neighbor house, a salesman, and the street animals.
In my sides, user was my dad, my mom, my grandparents, and me.
From my side, the user were my mother, friends, and myself.
From my sides, the user were children standing on the railway station, group of students discussing about something. Station master was waving the flag or dealing with the other persons. A sweeper was cleaning the train at the railway yard, and the coolie was busy picking up the luggage and dropping at the station.
These all were our observations. Thank you.
Okay. Now, next question that.
Before I start the problem statement, sir, I want to point out some things regarding
Yes.
them.
Yes.
Sir, as you told, we need any unique solution to to any small problem or a big problem. But the thing comes in between is that we all are living apart right now, and we can't discuss the things and discuss this. First of all, to find out the unique solution, we need to think beyond our capacity, and that's in the current scenario, in the lockdown, that's not possible. So instead of my group decided to do something which is a problem in a software programming world. So let us discuss just it's just a bit of things which we have analyzed and we have gained from our knowledge or from the coding world and all around the stuffs.
Okay. Yes.
So good morning. Today I am Tushar Sethia with my colleagues Smith Devani, Girish Purohit and Devansh Agarwal. We are going to tell you the things or how to approach for a logic in a programming world. The next slide will be conducted by Smith.
Hello, good morning, everyone. So let's start. What is logic programming? Any program written in a logic programming is a set of sentence in logical form. As we know that any coding or any programming is done by our logics. Without logics, we can't perform a program. So expressing facts and rules about some problem domain. Some of the concept of logic programming are logic and control and problem solving. Next. Tushar, next. Thank you. How do we improve logic building skills in a programming language? Without the logic, we won't understand how programs actually work in behind. As we know that some of the difficulties we can face in our life. So without getting any solution or without having a logic in our mind, we can't solve the difficulties we faced in our life. So in programming same, without knowing the problem, without knowing the logic, we can't solve a program or produce a program. Here are some of our tips to improve our logical ability while programming. So here we go, and from next, Devansh will continue.
I will continue the next part. Understand the problem and divide it in smaller steps. As we all know that every question has its own answer. The answer is hidden in the question itself. So we should read the question again and again if we are not able to understand it. Since we take an example that I have read a question, I have tried it one time, but I'm not getting the answer. This does not mean that I have to stop thinking on it. I should read that question 5 times, 10 times until I get the answer. I should try one more time. Here it is written, whenever we get any programming problem, just try to understand what exactly needs to be done. And take pen and paper and write down what steps need to be taken and solve it. The pen and paper is a very basic way to solve it. We just break the question in small steps, that what we have to do, then another step, that what we should do, and all. By writing smaller step, we can map very complex program into smaller manageable chunks. For example, consider you are getting a program to perform an addition of 2 numbers. From that question, we can get that we have to add 2 numbers. Therefore, the operand we will use is the addition operand, and there we have to add 2 numbers. Therefore, we have to add 2 numbers in the memory. So first step, by reading it, we will get to know that we need 2 numbers, and both we need stored somewhere. In this case, we will take in the memory. We will store in the memory. Step 2, to add those number, we need an operand that is addition. Step 3, to store the addition result, you need some memory. Step 4, you need to display the result to user, or you need to use it somewhere else in the programs. Now the next slide will continue with Devansh Agarwal.
Suppose we get a problem that we have to print a pattern. As a beginner, in my case, as a beginner, I just don't know what is programming. So as Girish said, we should divide the problem into steps, or many steps that it is needed. Just take pen and paper, jot down the possible cases in which we can find the solution of that problem. Just here it is written, to solve a problem you need some preparation. It can be some steps or even some prerequisite tasks which need to be taken in consideration. Now comes implementation part. Just write down the possible cases which is required to that problem. Next slide. Here is an example to print a pattern 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 5 5 5 5. Just we can get the output by two methods, by applying string method and by applying mathematical method. So by applying string method, the compilation time increases, and by applying mathematical method, compilation time decreases, but we get the same output. This is the way we can find the solution to the many of the problems by dividing it into the parts, and we can find. Tushar will continue.
Okay.
And we know the the most important thing to build a logic or to do or to even crack an product based company or anything company and interview, the most important thing is to understand the data structures and algorithm. So what is algorithm? If we look into the very complex statement, as it is said, an algorithm is a finite sequence of well-defined computer implementable instructions typically to solve a class of problems or to perform computation. In easy words, we can say that the steps we take to perform to find out the solution of the given problem is called algorithm. So some implementations of algorithms are array, stack, quiz, link, list, and dictionary. So data. Sir, actually, there is some mistake in the PPT. The backtracking part will come into the algorithm part.
Yes.
So
That is
the
what actually I was saying.
data structure. What is data structure? Data structure is the way in which we store the data so that it can be used in very efficient way. Like in the definition, it is written that data structure organize your data so that you can access it. It's a logical part. Different data structure may be used to organize the data in the same nature, but in different way and with different efficiency. So now I will explain one algorithm that is a backtracking problem. So there is a problem. Our goal is to arrange n queens into n chessboard so that no queens can strike down the other queen, and queen can attack horizontally, vertically, and diagonally. So we will see the solution. So we will test this algorithm into 4x4 chessboard. So there are 4 queens to place in 4x4 chessboard. So now, in the first part, we will place the queen in the first row and the first column. So when we place the queen, we will see that the first queen covers the first row, the first column, and the diagonal part. So now we will place now we will find the safe position to be placed for the queen to be placed. So we will see that this square is the safest place right now to be placed. So now we place this queen in this position. So it won't get attacked by the other queen. But the problem arises after we place the third queen. After we place the third queen, the third queen is placed in the fourth position, in the fourth row. So now we don't have any safe position left to place the fourth queen. So now what we will do backtracking process. In the backtracking process, there is things that we will go to the previous position and we will change the position of the queen so that we can place the next queen safely and we can place the fourth one also. So now what we have done, we have gone
Yeah,
back and back.
Tushar.
Yes, sir.
I would like to give you people some input. So I think
Sorry, your voice is lagging.
you started discussion on the algorithms and data structure. So
Yes, sir.
what I would like you people to do, instead of doing this, you can do one thing. You can simply develop you can say a method which you can use to guide the new student in programming. Okay, because all these things, I think in our Python lab also I have mentioned you, or I have told you that dry run kind of technique. Okay, so which I am using since long. So you can
Sir,
do
sir,
that.
basically, sir, let you complete it first, then I will go ahead.
Okay, so what is my concern that you develop one, let's say, guide kind of thing where people will be reading it, and then by reading those kind of means by reading that guide, they will be able to find out the solution. So
Sir, sorry to say that, sir, we are not that much capable right now to form a PDF or a kind of a book kind of a thing to explain the things, because we lack many much illogical capabilities, logical capabilities. So we can't do that because, sir, because I am studying the mathematical, sir, because I am studying the discrete mathematics and all right now. So because of that, I can explain the certain algorithms, certain tree stacks and queues right now, but it's not possible for me to do the things because it's way too beyond right now. For me, it's way too beyond the things.
you are right, but actually, what actually I want to tell you that whatever logic you might be using for problem solving, okay, so that logic you can use for, you can say, building the solution of problem. So that is what
Sir,
actually I
that
wanted
too we
to tell
all are
you.
doing right now, sir. That things we are already doing. We are doing. Some of us are performing competitive coding. Some of them are doing competitive coding. Some of them are applying for some Google competitions or TCS competitions and all that stuff.
Yes, so you might be applying for those competition, okay, but there will be some predefined set of exercises that you might be doing with it. Okay, so what is my concern that you should be, you can say, you should be in position to note down, or you can say formalize those definitions, okay, or you can say formalize those steps, and then you can give it to people, that this way we can solve it, programming problem.
So the only problem is that I know half of the things. I don't know the full thing. Like if certain case has 100% solution, I will know the 25% of the solution, and rest of the solution I will search it, or I will study some cases or related problems, and then I will identify the logic that things are working like that, like in that way, or else it's going on beyond that way, all the things. So it's not
Because what
possible
is my concern that
for me or possible
if,
for
if you can formalize
everyone right now in our batch. So I can say,
so what is actually my concern that if you can formalize some those kind
so
of
you are not audible.
process, okay, then it will be, I think, good for all of for you to be, you can say, DTPS problem definition. So where you can define some solutions, so you can just think on it, and then you can uh, yes.
So that only, sir, I have said na small statement. We need a enormous amount of knowledge about that solution. We need to see the contrapositive contradiction of that solution. We need to apply trial and error method to every solution. We need to test cases, and then we have to come with the solutions. So it will take a lot of time, and the time you have given was the 1 week, so it was not possible. So I have come up with the idea of why don't we explain certain logical thing which will be helpful in near future for everyone here. It's a kind of a problem only. It's a kind of a problem right now. Most of More than half of the engineers right now are incapable of that, finding the logic or finding the problem.
Okay. So actually, that's good. Actually, I like it, but you can develop some let's say guide kind of thing, some predefined set of steps which you might be using with all the problems, and then you can introduce it as a you can say programming like.
Sir, the least amount of time you have given, sir, this
Yeah,
was the
yeah.
best
Still,
I
you can.
could
I
do it.
think you people can improve. Okay, why I'm telling you because you people are definitely doing those kind of activities. Okay, in routine. So I'm just asking you people to just you can say um, you just document it in proper way. So that is actually what I want you people to do.
Sir, I can do, sir, we can do that, but it will require a lot of time. It will
Hmm.
require a lot of
Hmm.
patience
No,
level, a
no,
lot
no,
of
no, no.
time.
I'm not asking you 100% perfect solution. Tushar. Okay, are you getting that? I'm not asking you 100% perfect solution. Okay, but at least
Yeah,
whatever
we
you
can do.
people.
We can create the logical approach of the problems that
Yes, yes,
that
yes.
is
You
possible
can.
for us. That the
Yes, yes,
problems which
yes.
are capable of what we can do.
Yes, and another thing that that I am suggesting you people is that whatever common steps you are following every time, whenever you will face any problem definition, that whatever will be the common step that you will follow. Okay, those steps you can mention in form of a documentation.
Okay,
Got
sir.
it?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
actually, I'm not telling you to define a systematic or a pure scientific approach for that. Okay, but I'm telling you that you can, whatever practice you are following, that you can put it in form of document with a proper sequence, and then you can give it as a solution.
So can I continue the last slide?
Yes. Excuse me.
So right now, and so after that, we will go on backtracking to the problem until we found the perfect solution. So the last solution is this. So we have gone to the first row and we have shifted the queen of the first row to the second column, and then we can see that the four queens are perfectly aligned, are perfectly placed in the boxes, and they do not attack each other. So, and that's all. Happy coding. Happy coding.
Okay, good. Yes, next group. Devansh. Dipen. Dipen, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, your problem definition.
Sir.
Hmm? Your problem definition.
Sir, I am also in group of Aditya.
Aditya.
Jha. Yes, sir.
Aditya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you say, have you sent me your PPT?
Sir, I already give you my what's that AIO PPT is already sent. We have given the presentation last class.
Okay, from your email ID only you have sent me
No,
the
sir.
PPT.
Our group leader is Anuj, and he will send
Sir,
you.
I have it. Last week when it was done, I have sent it.
Okay, and your problem definition.
So that is left.
So when you will do it?
So in next week, you told that you will be uploading the example of that in the class.
Hmm. At least you should have, you should be ready with problem definition. That's fine. Yes, who is the next group?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
on the last week we have presented our AEIOU presentation, but today we haven't made completely. We haven't made our presentation. We have only the problem definition, but not the solution for that.
Okay. So what you want to do now?
So we will present in the next class if it's possible. On AEIOU one we have completed, and we have sent you the PPT as well on the last class itself, last week.
Okay. Yes. Now, Smith Devani.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what about your team?
Sir, we have presented on this now, programming.
You are also part of that team.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you do one thing, Tushar. You just send me the PPT with all the group members.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So I can have a record that on this date.
Okay, sir. I will send you now itself.
Yes, yes. Today only you send it. So the people whoever given me the given me the presentation today. Okay, send your PPT today only, so I can keep it in my record that today only you have given me the presentation.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Then Riddhi.
Sir, we had given presentation in last week, and we are left with the problem solving presentation.
She is in our group. Riddhi,
Okay.
Vidhi, me and Manthan.
Okay, Riddhi, you and Manthan. Okay. Then yes, Thakur, Yashang. What about your group?
So we have presented first.
Problem solution, problem identification as well. It is also done.
Yes, sir. We presented
Yes, sir.
about the ATM, and you said we have
Yes,
to
so
do
then currency note. Okay, got it. Now, I think most of you are done with it, and the people who are going to submit me the PPT, I will going to use it for your evaluation. So if any other group is left with the presentation, then they can tell me that, sir, we are not done with the presentation, so we want to present it now. So is there any people, are there any group or people that who wish to give presentation on it? Okay, so I think you people are having you might not having any other presentation, or you can say idea regarding to the problem and solution. So let me do one thing. I'm creating an assignment to all of you, means A batch and B batch. That is design thinking and problem solving. Here in instruction, I'm mentioning that and into design thinking. Not design and upload that screenshot as submission. Okay, clear? All of it. So I'm creating that course, and sorry, I'm creating that assignment, and you are supposed to submit your enrollment certificate, or not certificate but screenshot, and once your course is over, then you are supposed to submit your completion certificate. Okay, let me put the link of the course into the classroom. So,
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Yes, just a second. Am I audible now? Yes. So you can see I have created one design thinking and problem solving assignment for you people, where you are supposed to enroll into that course and you are supposed to submit your course detail. Okay, the screenshot that you have successfully enrolled into the course. Now let me ask you some question, that how many of you are working on that course, means how many of you have enrolled it and completed the 2 weeks into the course?
So done, only one problem is left.